Imagine standing at the edge of a windswept cliff, the sea below roaring, her laughter a faint echo from a distant feast, vibrant and elusive, drawing souls like stars to the dawn. You've poured your heart into words, each one carved with care, sent to pierce the veil between you. Yet silence answers, a heavy stillness that gnaws at your core, whispering doubts. Was I too bold? Too faint? The urge to send another message pulses, a restless bid to shatter the quiet. What if the key to her reply lies not in more words, but in their power? What if, through Stoic philosophy, your words could strike a spark she cannot ignore, demanding her response now? This is no fleeting pursuit. This is the forging of a Stoic reign, a path of self-improvement where your presence commands connection. Speak aloud, I am unshaken, and embark on this quest to master your voice, where Stoicism, women, feel the strength of a man who rules his spirit. At Stoic Reign, we fuse Stoic philosophy with eternal truths of human ties, guiding men to thrive in relationships and beyond. In a world where endless tides, rushing duties, shallow exchanges, the weight of being heard, drain the soul, men seek worth in words, believing volume wins hearts. Yet Stoicism for beginners offers truth. Master what is yours. Marcus Aurelius taught, the soul is dyed by its thoughts. Through 3 secrets, vivid tales, and 5 Stoicism exercises, you will craft messages that women cannot resist, rooted in Stoicism motivation. This is not about tricks. It's about presence, emotional depth, and a Stoic mindset that ignites instant connection. Speak, I am unshaken now, and let us shape a life of Stoicism relationships that endures forever. First, craft emotional resonance. Picture a torchlit cavern, her eyes scanning the shadows for your words, yet your message arrives like a riddle, sharp and alive. The first secret is to craft emotional resonance, a pulse that stirs her soul to respond now. In life's chaos, endless counsels, urgent labors, the clamor to stand out, most men flood her with words, dull and predictable. Yet Stoic philosophy demands clarity. Cleanthes taught, virtue is harmony with reason. Write a message that primes her heart using the contrast principle. Pair bold emotion with subtle restraint. Instead of, how fares your day, craft? Today, I saw a fire in someone's spirit that matched yours. Can you guess who? Her mind, primed for depth, craves to engage, a psychological spark that demands a reply. When she answers, keep the rhythm alive. Say, it's a rare soul who burns so bright. What kindled your fire today? This Stoicism practice weaves a bond, drawing her in, fostering mindfulness and Stoicism on love. Second, master conversational rhythm. Envision her in a silent grove, her thoughts tethered to your next word. Yet you pace your reply like a master bard commanding the moment. The second secret is to master conversational rhythm, a cadence that leads her to chase your voice. In a world where burdens pile, unseen tasks, broken promises, the rush of existence, most men stumble sending words without tempo. Epictetus taught, speak only what serves your purpose. Craft messages that set a deliberate pace, using selective engagement to draw her out. Instead of, I've a tale to share, right? I've a story that might stir you, but only if you're bold enough to hear it. Dare you? Her heart races, urged by the rhythm, compelling a swift reply. When she responds, maintain control. Say, boldness suits you. Share a spark of your own and I'll unveil mine. This Stoicism lesson holds her focus, a cornerstone of Stoicism relationships that reduces anxiety and sharpens intent. Third, project unshakable confidence. See her in a starlit meadow, her soul touched by your words, their truth echoing her worth. The third secret is to project unshakable confidence, a presence that makes her feel valued and compels her to act. In a world of fleeting praise, empty words, shallow glances, the haste to be seen, most men offer hollow flattery, chasing favor. Seneca taught, happiness lies in the present. Speak to her values, not her surface, timing your words to her truths. Instead of, you shine brightly, write, your resolve to carve your path is rare. Few dare as you do. When she shares a dream, say, your vision cuts through the noise. Most wish you build. When she reveals a struggle, say, your strength to face truth is a gift few hold. These Stoic quotes make her feel seen, a pillar of Stoicism for women that drives self-improvement and demands a response now. Imagine her words arriving, seeking your reply, yet you hold steady, pacing your presence with purpose. In life's relentless surge, where demands clash, time phrase, and heart seek anchor, most men chase, piling words to win notice, yet Stoicism daily teaches mastery. Your voice leads, not follows. Musonius Rufus taught, virtue is proven in action. If her reply lags, let yours pause longer. If her words are brief, let yours be briefer. This rhythmic lead, a dance of measured intent, stirs her to ask, why does he not hasten? When she offers depth, engage boldly, saying, your truth struck me. I've a spark to share. What moves your soul today? This Stoicism practice flips the dynamic, making her pursue a key to Stoicism motivation that nurtures mental health. Picture yourself thriving, your craft honed, your path clear, unmoved by her silence. In a world where pressures, unseen weights, endless striving, the clamor of others' eyes cloud the spirit, Stoicism for beginners offers refuge. Look within. Marcus Aurelius taught, retreat to your own soul for peace. Your messages are not pleas, but mirrors of your Stoic reign, each word resonating, pacing, or projecting confidence. When you write, you lead, forging bonds that echo. This Stoicism mindset commands respect. A beacon for Stoicism, women seeking truth, enhancing productivity and purpose. Envision her reflecting on your words, their weight urging her to respond now. In a world of fragile ties, where trust is rare, hearts guard against hurt, and true connection is a treasure, your mastery is a gift. Epictetus taught, freedom lies in mastering desire. By choosing precision, you create space for her to feel your presence, kindling desire. This Stoicism on love builds trust, making her value your voice. A foundation of Stoicism, relationships, and mindfulness. See yourself standing resolute, your peace unbroken, whether she replies or not. Your worth is not her response. In a world where men chase fleeting winds, bending to whims, seeking external crowns, Stoicism teaches sovereignty. Seneca taught, he who is brave is free. By mastering your words, you forge a Stoic reign that stands alone, rooted in self-improvement and Stoic philosophy. This Stoicism lesson ensures triumph, a magnet for Stoicism women who honor clarity and strength. To embody this Stoic path, embrace these 5 Stoicism exercises, crafted for daily practice, ensuring Stoicism motivation with clarity. First, the pulse of resonance. Daily for 5 minutes, hold a small stone. Repeat, my words stir souls. Reflect on a message that sparked emotion. Write, today I moved a heart. This fosters mindfulness, grounding you in Stoic philosophy, easing the spirit. Second, the cadence of mastery. Weekly for 10 minutes, walk a quiet path. Envision her reply, your urge to rush rising. See yourself pacing deliberately. Write, my rhythm leads. This builds emotional clarity, strengthening Stoicism relationships. Third, the forge of truth. Monthly for 15 minutes, journal a moment you chased a reply. Burn the page saying, I release need, I forge presence. Picture your Stoic reign rising. Write, my voice shapes bonds. This channels self-improvement, honing purpose. Fourth, the shield of intent. Bi-weekly for 10 minutes, sit in stillness. Reflect on a moment you led with confidence. Visualize it as a shield. Right? My presence commands. This strengthens Stoic mindset, vital for Stoicism women. Fifth, the beacon of resolve. Weekly for 5 minutes, face the dawn. Repeat, I am unshaken. Recall a message that demanded a reply. Write, my truth ignites. This nurtures mental health, rooting you in Stoicism for beginners. In a world where voices clamor for notice, where labor's weight and haste cloud the mind, Stoicism offers truth. Master your voice, not her heart. You are a Stoic reign, unmoved by validation. Marcus Aurelius taught, be unlike those who harm. Choose Stoic philosophy. Choose self-improvement. Choose you. Speak, I am unshaken, to join our brotherhood. Seek Stoic reign teachings to deepen your Stoicism lessons. Share your virtue, resonance, mastery, or confidence with a friend bearing our banner's mark. Voice your deepest truth for a chance to be revered. Let this wisdom guide another soul lost in pursuit, kindling Stoicism, motivation, and mental health. Your path in Stoicism begins now. Be Stoic. Be eternal.